Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to move your USDC from Binance to Revolut in 2025, you're in the right place. This process has gotten even smoother with the latest updates, but always double check for any platform changes. Let's dive in and get you set up step by step. First things first, make sure you have everything ready. You'll need a verified Binance account with USDC in your spot wallet, a Revolut account that's set up for crypto or bank transfers, and two-factor authentication enabled for security. Oh, and keep an eye on fees and network confirmations to avoid surprises. Alright, let's start. Step 1. Log into your Binance account and head over to the Wallet section. Select Spot Wallet to view your balances. Once you're there, click on Withdraw next to your USDC holdings. This will open up the withdrawal page. Step 2. Choose USDC as the asset you want to withdraw. Now, select the network. Go with ERC20 for most cases, as it's widely compatible, but confirm what Revolut supports in 2025. Enter the amount you want to withdraw, making sure it's above any minimum limits Binance sets. Step 3. For the destination, you'll need to add your Revolut wallet address. Wait, hold up. If Revolut doesn't provide a direct crypto address, you might need to withdraw to an intermediary wallet first or convert to fiat. In 2025, Revolut could have direct support, so double-check in their app. Paste the address carefully, add any required memos or tags, and review the details. Step 4. Hit Withdraw and confirm the transaction with your 2FA. Binance will process it, and you'll get a confirmation email. This might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, check your Revolut app to see if the USDC has arrived. If you're transferring to fiat, sell your USDC on Binance first, then withdraw via SEPA or bank transfer. A quick tip: always use the testnet or small amounts for your first try to avoid losses. Watch out for gas fees on the blockchain, they can add up. And remember, crypto regulations might change, so stay updated. There you have it, folks. You've successfully withdrawn USDC from Binance to Revolut. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto guides. Drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.